Hi, guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Cram, and we're both. Okay. Hi, guys, you can hear me, right? Good morning, guys. Hi, guys, I'm Cash, my partner is Cram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Guys, just a disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. If you're looking for someone who's going to tell you when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place. But if you're here to learn our profitable strategy, then you're absolutely in the right place. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself, and don't be risking more than 1% of your capital at any given point with any given trade. Okay, this is the long position that I'm looking for at DAX. DAX just had a small impulse that tried to break into our box. But let's see how we go about it. And yes, naturally, below our demand zone, we will be having our shots. Okay, guys, we have red folders opening up in another 10 minutes. So be extremely careful. It could be a dud, like you all know, or it could be amazing. Let's hope that we get some good volume and some good pips. Okay? I will get back to the chat in just a minute. And obviously for gold, we're looking for long position over here. Okay? We're trying really hard to break that. And our sells are going to be below our demand zone, which also happens to be our daily support. Okay? Okay, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Can't hear you. Can you all hear me now? No sound? How is that possible, guys? I'm not on mute. Can you all hear me? Can someone just confirm? Yes, yes, perfect. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We're catching red folders for London. Hopefully, we get loud and clear. Thank you. Good morning, guys. I hope we catch some sort of movement or volume in these markets. We have news coming out for GBP. They're red folders. So let's see the kind of movement that we're going to get for the same. Okay, but be extremely, extremely careful. You know what these red folders can do. They can take all of your profits away, and today is a Friday. Okay, today is a Friday and we have red folders opening up all over. We should be extremely, extremely careful in these markets. Okay, look at German 30. We tried to break our supply. That was just an impulse, but we failed to break that, saying that there are some sellers sitting over there. Okay. Also, it looks like maybe we're trying to go down, touch 50, and then go up to touch our 70. That's what the RSI looks like to me. Let's look at gold. Okay, gold, we might go up, push up to our supply zone, and then maybe fall down. But if we break our supply zone on gold, it'll be a good break of structure. Okay, so it could be a good move to our daily resistance, keeping in mind that we have some traffic over here that's going on. Okay. Also, the range of the candle, the daily candle, is very small for London market open. So the moves are not as big as New York. The candle is just developing, the candle is moving, the candle is trying to get some momentum. I'm talking about daily here, so that's why we don't have that much movement. Okay? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You all know the drill for red folders. Don't be playing around with big positions, okay? Doesn't matter whether it's London or New York, red folders, don't be playing around with red folders at all, okay? What do you all want to watch? Do you all want to watch GBP, USD, gold, or DAX for market for the folders? Gold. I'm more. Can you explain red folders a bit? Okay, so if you go to FX, my FX book or Forex Factory, there are red folders, orange folders, green folders. There's some news that are affecting the economy of a particular country or an instrument. They're opening up every day, and if they're red, that means they're going to bring in more volume in these markets, and we're going to have big moves. Those are big folders that are opening up. The decisions that are being made on a daily basis or on a monthly basis, like we have NFP, like we have FOMC. We have CPI. These are red, big, heavy folders, and markets have a lot of volume when they're moving. Other than that, we have green folders and orange folders, and they don't bring in much volume in these markets. I hope that was clear to you, but to understand them further, you can go ahead and check out my FX book. Just go to your browser and just type that out, and you will get all the information that you need on the news. Okay? Perfect. No worries. Okay, everyone wants to see everything. But guys, keep these levels with you. Keep them marked one-on-ones. Keep them marked on your phone or on your PC, wherever you're trading from. Keep these levels marked so that when you see that going up or down in your direction, whatever that you are going in with, just make sure that you've marked your level correctly. Not on the basis of the price. It could be different for you. Different brokers have different price. Also, this is the last candle, last 5-minute candle before the news. And yes, mark your charts on your MetaTrader as well according to your candles, because candles are going to be the same all over. Whatever broker that you're with, the candles are going to be same, only the price is going to be a little different. So just be very, very careful. News, these psychological areas, they hit like left, right, center, and we just don't understand what's happening. So for that, just be very, very careful. Okay? Now, right now, they're not doing anything, guys. Like, legit nothing. Let's see. Okay, German 30 is also not doing much. Is anyone in on anything at this point? Is anyone in on anything, guys? If at this point y'all are trading, nothing more than a feeler. Like y'all can see over here, we have 200 sitting as well. EMA. Okay, be extremely, extremely careful. If you're taking this impulse, it could just go up and go down for ourselves, but be extremely, extremely careful. Okay, we have 200 sitting over here. For GBP USD, I know people like to trade GBP USD. It's a good instrument to trade. It doesn't move that fast. Also, it doesn't give you those many pips. It'll look like that you've got so many pips, but it isn't like that. That's how the Forex pairs, they work. But GBP USD, it's good for learning and making some pips if you don't want to play around with your emotions too much in these markets. That's a safer instrument to play around with. Okay, GBP USD. Watching GU and gold. GU has helped me a lot. Yes, yes. GU is beautiful. Like the way GU moves, I feel that NAS moves for indices. It's like, it's just in the middle. It's not too fast. It's not too slow like S&P 500. And other than that, guys, if you all are trading New York, and if you think NASDAQ space or US 30 space is like too strong for you and you can't take it, it's too fast, then maybe try trading S&P. S&P 500, that is also an indice. If you trade that, it moves slower, and the moves are also going to happen much later than NASDAQ and US 30. So you all will have some time to breathe and understand your charts and put in your positions. It's not as fast. Okay. Also, guys, for GBP USD, we're going down. We're trying to make something, but they could completely fake out this pattern, guys. You all know what kind of pattern I'm talking about, one-on-ones. We're trying to make something on GBP USD, but we could be completely faking it out. So be extremely, extremely careful with your positions today. Okay, guys, and is anyone in on feelers or anything at this point? They could be just faking us out, okay? Babe? Okay, look at German 30 trying to approach our demand zone. Sorry, GBP. That's GBP USD, guys. I'm so sorry. German is not doing anything at this point, guys. Okay, gold is also trying to fall, guys. Also, guys, Cram just informed me about this level that we're trying to create on a higher time frame. And according to that, if you want to catch buys, we can catch our buys above our forward support. But that's like zone to zone. Look at GU, guys. It's dropping. It's news, guys. It's 11:30, but there is no movement. GU is going down, guys. Is anyone trading GU? Look at that, guys. GU is dropping, but be extremely, extremely careful. Wait for this candle to close. DAX. Okay, DAX is not doing anything. Okay, DAX was a dud. I'm going to be focusing on gold. And guys, look, I'm running about 1900 on gold, guys. Okay. Okay, we're catching some buyers from our demand zone. Let's see. I'm going to be putting it on breaking. Okay, guys, I'm running about 1400 at this point on gold. I started layering my positions. Okay. Is anyone in on anything? Just if you don't want to trade this right now, it's okay. You don't have to. You can wait. Okay, you can wait for this candle to close. The news came out. There was some movement in gold and okay, guys, I'm running about 1400 again. I want this to push down, but other than that, also, if I lose nothing. I've put my positions on break even. 1800, 2000, guys. Okay. Okay, come on, gold. You can push 2100 on gold, guys. Who's catching this with me? Look at GBP USD as well, guys. 2200. I think I'm going to start liquidating my positions, guys. I don't want to lose anything in these markets. Okay, I've left some positions running, small positions running. But let's see. Is anyone catching this with me? GBP USD, gold, nobody? Okay, I started layering in my positions from 4-8 support. I was waiting for it to break the demand zone. GU Corolla, that's great. Congratulations, Zero. Congratulations. But look at that, guys. If you want to break that daily support, we can, but we're oversold at this point. So let's wait for another candle's momentum to come in and move these markets. Okay? Okay, gold. We're trying to go oversold. We're at about 34. We're trying to go down to 30 and go oversold, but there is a strong demand zone that's sitting at daily support. Okay, same story with GBP USD. There is a strong level of support, that's daily support, that's trying to, some buyers are sitting over there. We need to break it with momentum. Let's see the kind of momentum that we get in another 2 minutes. DAX is doing something, guys? DAX is not doing anything. Nothing. Seriously, nobody got anything, guys? Like GU? Feeler, maybe? Nobody was in on a feeler also for GU? Gold is most likely catching support, guys. Okay. From our demand zone, GBP USD, we don't have that much momentum over there. Okay. Slow, guys. Very slow. German 30 is again trying to approach our demand zone. Okay. I'm looking at German 30, guys. That's a retest, guys, but we're catching some bias from our demand zone. Okay, we need to get rejected from this area to go down and continue with our sales. We're getting some rejection. That's good. Let's see. No trades anymore for me as well. Still watching, still watching. That's good, guys. It's okay. We'll wait. We'll get these moves, but we have to be really, really patient, guys. Okay? Look at GBP USD catching support. If you want to ride out your buys, you can start riding your buys from demand zone itself and go up to the supply zone. Okay? But we're catching support on all the instruments. Okay? Maybe the original move was the buys. Let's see what these markets, what they want to do with us today. But yeah, not good volume. The red folders didn't do much. It's the same good old London volume. Nothing extraordinary, guys. Nothing. I was expecting some real big moves, but nonetheless, we're learning how these. We haven't traded red folders before this for London together, so we're learning how red folders also play out over here. They are completely different from how the red folders play out for New York. Okay? So this is important that we understand this as well. Maybe gold is going in for buys. You can start layering your positions from. Okay, German 30 is trying again. That's a good rejection. That's a good rejection, but we need to fall down with good momentum. Okay? We are at about 50. That is why we're getting this sort of movement around here. Okay? Let's see. Okay, gold is trying. Again, this is just an impulse, and also this is just zone to zone. If someone wants to trade, obviously bigger buys are above our supply zone. Okay, this is some sort of chop that we're seeing over here. This is sideways trading. So if you're trading, don't be entering in with big lots. Wait for your position to close. Wait for your candle to close above your supply zone. Maybe then you can look for bigger positions. But now, right now, small positions. Okay, German 30 is not doing anything. It's catching some buyers. Okay, from our demand zone. Okay, look at that, guys. GBP USD. This is another level of demand they've created over here. Okay? And we're catching buyers from there. German 30 is also catching some buyers. Maybe we're trying to make something over here. One-on-ones, are we trying to make something over here? One-on-ones, are we trying to make something on DAX? Or are we not? Yes, Raul, you're absolutely right. This, if we break this on GBP USD, it'll be a good sell. But so many buyers over here. Very, very, very strong demand zone they've created over here. That also happens to be our daily support. That is why nothing is happening right now, guys. Although we are getting some rejection from here, maybe we're trying to make another shoulder and go down further. Okay, but remember this chop over here in this area. Be extremely, extremely careful. I'm getting bored, guys. Look at this movement on gold. But when gold moves, guys, trust me, because this is all what I look at, even though I see so many patterns and BOS, break of structure, that we trade upon, it still looks like chop to me, gold. Okay? This whole range, if I go to the higher time frame, this will just be chop. Okay? This is just sideways trading on higher time frames, and this is what I don't like. I don't. Again, German 30 next candle opened up, just trading between our supply and demand zone. There is no movement in the market. We got some movement for the red folders, but other than that, nothing, guys. So what's up, guys? How many people do we have today? 25 people? Okay. I wasn't expecting 25 also, just because it's an hour earlier. It was an hour earlier, and it's like super, super, super early for some people. But then again, guys, you have to get up with discipline, trade these market, trade all these sessions, and then understand what works for your trading style, what works for you as a trader. You have to trade every market. And to make your pips, to make money, you have to make that sacrifice, and in time, everyone will understand that. Okay, it's just hard for some people, the discipline for trading. Okay, look at that, guys. German 30 again trying. Okay. Also, we're going to have our next 15-minute momentum in the next 4 minutes. Okay. Strong level of support. Yeah, 2 a.m. for you, but you're still here for it. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's the kind of discipline that you should have as a trader, because that is only going to make you money in these markets. Patience and discipline. These two words just write down in front of you on your wall. Okay, I'm looking at DAX, guys. It's an impulse that's trying to go down below our demand zone. Feelers at this point, if you want nothing more than that. That also, your stop loss should be around here, and a feeler shouldn't hurt your account if you put your stop loss over here. One-on-ones, you all know what I'm talking about. Okay. German 30 is trying though, but again, we're not getting volume. I don't know what kind of a stupid dud red folder it was. It's stupid, guys. It's really stupid. I don't know why we're not getting volume for London. Again, gold is also trying, guys, but I don't know. You want to take this much? Go ahead, go for it. Let's see. German 30 and gold, both of them are trying. GBP USD is not doing anything at this point. Indecisive. Gold also, this is just an impulse, and we're catching support from demand zone, exactly from our daily support. We need to break this with momentum. Maybe the next 15-minute momentum could bring in that, or we could just completely go up and go in for buys. Okay, but look at DAX. We're trying on DAX. But again, we need to break all of this chop on the left with good volume. Okay, but we're catching again buyers from here. Okay, DAX is falling. Okay, come on, DAX. Come on, it's slow, but it's pushing. Okay. We need to break this. Gold is trying, guys. Okay, this is just an impulse on gold at this point. Anyone wants to trade gold, because I know so many people over here, they trade gold. Probably Cram is also trading gold, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's gold. That's just an impulse, guys. Wait for the retest, confirmation, and then get into your trades, okay? But this is also a smaller break of structure if you look at it. Okay, guys, German 30 is trying as well. We're trying to make lower lows. That's a good thing. Okay, German 30 falling. That's good. Great. Impulse, guys. Just an impulse. Be careful. Okay, I can't stress more on this. These are just impulses entering our boxes. Nothing is closed. Okay, this closed. This is also the next 15-minute momentum. Be careful. We could just completely go up and go down. We could go and test our demand zone right here and then get rejected and go down further. Okay, this is a retest. There's a new candle. Always assume the next candle when we're falling down is going to be green. Okay, now we need to get rejected from our demand zone and push down on German 30. Let's look at gold. Okay, gold also. If anyone is trading gold at this point, gold also closed. Okay, gold is falling, guys. Okay, look at that, guys. Gold. Is anyone trading gold? Okay, see, German. We're testing our demand zone. Okay, sorry guys, this is supply zone. Now this has become a supply zone. Let's change it. Okay, what was demand earlier has now become supply for us. We're getting rejected from our supply zone. Gold. Okay, gold, we're trying to hit our TP, guys. We can do that. We're falling on gold. Who's trading gold? You should be banking on this, guys. Look at gold. I didn't take gold. I made my position. I made some money from Forex support, but I did not take this trade. Look at that. Gold, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't like to trade gold much. That's why I was like, okay, I traded it enough for the day. I'm just looking at German 30 at this point. Okay. W on gold. Congratulations, babe. Caught gold for sure. That's amazing. That's amazing. Congratulations, guys. You all are catching gold. And also, if you see the way gold is moving for London, it's slower, right? It's breathing more. It's giving you also some more time to understand how they're going to move further, right? So London is slower. Okay. Okay, we're catching some buyers over here. Let's see. Okay, DAX is moving up. DAX is just chopped today, guys. W on gold. We're moving up. At this point, if you're in on sells for DAX, small positions. Okay? But gold was beautiful, guys. I took my positions from here to here, and after that, it was making me wait too long, and I don't trust gold too much, guys. Honestly speaking, I don't. So I took my positions out. I wish I hadn't done that, but nonetheless, it's fine. I made a little. I made what I had to make, but I'm just looking at DAX because I love indices. I love how DAX moves for London. So that's what I'm just waiting for that. If I get that, I get that. If I don't get that, it's all good. No problem. But look at GBP USD. If you want to get into buys, then you can get into buys from our demand zone and ride it till our supply zone for GBP USD. Okay? But wait. Okay, we're getting rejected on DAX. Okay, we need, again, this candle needs to close within our box and then continue with good volume. Okay? Is anyone in on anything? Okay, DAX is testing 50 on the RSI. That is why we're getting this sort of movement on DAX. This always happen whenever we're around the EMAs or the RSI is around 50. It always happens. There's chop that's happening. But let's wait. Okay, that's a good rejection on DAX. That's good. I like that. This heavy support over here, this whole area from the bigger time frame, I can see that. Babe. Okay, our next candle open on our supply zone, just on that. Don't look at GBP USD right now, guys. Just, just, just watch everything. Just observe how these instruments are moving, and that's it. With gold, maybe we're going down to fill our wick. If anyone who was trading gold and got this impulse, you can ride it down till your till your wick ends, till this point, and you can make some pips if you want on gold. German 30 again. Look at this. I don't like it. They're just making us wait so much. But strong level of support, guys. Strong level. Okay. Gold is trying to fall down. It's moving slower though. I like it. Yes, you have to follow the same retest rejection method. That's our strategy. And also because we've already had the move on GBP USD, there is a very strong level of demand that's sitting on daily support. We need to break that, and that could be just an impulse. And after that, we need to wait for retest and rejection, and then we get into our bigger positions, depending upon the time that we're trading at, the instrument that we're trading, if you want to take a Corolla or we want to take a Lambo. Okay? We need to get rejected from our demand zone if this is a bigger break of structure and we're trying to make something to fall down. If we look at the bigger picture one-on-ones, we need to get rejected from our demand zone and then fall further. Okay? Should I use STP account on Hanko trade? Yes. DAX? DAX is choppy. I don't like it. But you all know about DAX, right? DAX is always choppy before market open. Even after market open for 5 minutes, it'll be really choppy. And after that, it'll give you the best moves possible. So be patient. If anything that has taught us patience is London market. And let's learn it more. Patience in these markets is really important. You don't need to look at gold, guys. Oh my God. We are going down on gold. Who's catching that on gold? Was anyone trading gold? Okay, guys, we're falling on gold. Is anyone catching that? It's beautiful. Wow. Is anyone trading gold, guys? Nobody? I thought so many of you all wanted to trade gold. But nobody is trading gold anymore. You all should have left a position running on gold, guys. Always do that. Leave a position running, a small position. Yep, I'm in on gold. That's great. Congratulations, you guys. Congratulations. That's very nice. Great, guys. Let's see. We'll have our next 30-minute momentum opening in the next 7 minutes. Gold W. Congratulations, guys. Okay. Everything else is slow. Even GBP is not doing anything. But some people, they caught this retracement. And if you caught the buys from here, you would have made a lot. But that is an advanced trading method. Don't try it unless you're absolutely sure that your markets are going to go up in the same direction that you're thinking it would. Knowing when to counter trade is very important. You can't counter trade all the time. You need to know if that's the right setup to counter trade. Okay? Okay, now gold. Look at that. We're catching support. That's dirty. That's not good. Buys could be our demands above our demand zone, and you can ride it till supply zone, small positions. Obviously, the bigger positions will be above our supply zone, which also happens to be our daily resistance. But congratulations, guys. I'm really happy that you all made something. You all made money on gold. Babe, the camera. Okay. I'm really bad with camera and everything, guys, though I'm a filmmaker, but I don't like the technical side of it at all. Okay, GBP USD. Okay. Buys above our demand zone, but be extremely careful. Small positions, you can ride it till our supply zone. Let's see what German 30 is trying to do. I hate this job. Also, guys, I forgot it's a Friday. So this is what you get. Red folders, no red folders, doesn't matter. This is how Friday is. Okay? GBP USD for the new level that I gave you. This is just an impulse. Wait, we could just completely go down to make something. Maybe a double bottom. So be very careful with this position. GBP USD, we could move up to a supply zone, no problem. Yes, GBP moving. Yeah, but we're also getting rejected, right? I just, I'm hating DAX right now. Like I'm not hating it, I'm understanding what's happening at this point, but it's making us wait, and that's what I don't like. Yep, gold could be going up. We went oversold. Okay, GBP USD. Look at that, we're pushing, guys, on GBP USD. We got good support on gold, and we got good support on GBP USD from our daily support. The chances are we're going up, guys. Okay? Reversals you all were talking about, potentially. Yes, absolutely, B2. Again, these patterns, these formations, this RSI, everything that they're just changing, and they're becoming a double top is becoming a double bottom. Head and shoulders is becoming a double bottom, and vice versa, and so forth. All of this is happening, and these patterns are always changing. So yeah, look at GBP, guys. I told you all you could ride these buys to your supply zone. So that's what's exactly happening on GBP USD, guys. Okay, gold is also doing the same thing. Gold buys above our 4H support, guys. But if someone is riding this position with a small feeler, good. Made pips on GU too? Alright, that's great. That's great. Congratulations, JJ. That's JJ, right? Okay. I made some on gold, guys. But I don't know. Other than that, I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Because Friday, I don't want to lose anything, guys. I'd rather not trade and trade little and make little than lose everything that I made. Is anyone trading anything at this point? GBP USD, I hope you guys took out your profits, and if you have left a runner running, it should be on a break even so you don't lose anything. I'm on gold reversal. Be careful now. You have to be extremely careful. We have about 6 seconds for this candle to close. If we don't close above our demand zone, we could just completely go down. Okay? Make sure to realize your profits when you make 5 to 7 pips in these markets. Don't expect more than this on London market. Okay? Be extremely, extremely careful in these markets. Okay, this is also the new 30-minute momentum that has entered the market. Guys, these markets are really, really, really slow. I am not liking them at all. At all. Look at gold. Can Cram let me know what a good time for tomorrow is, please? When he has five. Don't worry, I will remind him. He's just been really busy, guys. Extremely, extremely busy with the server and one-on-ones and other things that we're planning for you guys. He just doesn't get that much time. But don't worry, JJ. I will talk to Cram. Okay. Maybe instead of a double top, we're trying to make something else on German 30. Okay. He always has time to make pips because he doesn't need that much time. Like when he trades, he'll sit for like just 15-20 minutes and he's done. The guy doesn't sit for longer than that. I mean, for pips, he always has time. I like to wait for my trades. I like to wait. He is just all in and out. I'm done. Also, he's amazing at what he does, guys. That's why. He's an excellent, excellent teacher and absolutely a brilliant trader. Like just seeing him, teaching you guys and analyzing these markets in front of him, it's just like I'm always having like 3, 4 one-on-ones a day. It's just amazing to listen to him. Also, he's got an amazing voice. So you can just listen to him, not like some people who are over there teaching, they're just boring. You don't want to listen to them. But look at GBP USD, guys. We're trying to fill this wick. If someone has taken this trade, this buy, then you all should be running. Okay. This is complicated. Everything is getting mixed. That's what I don't like. But this was a buy. Okay? How is okay, guys? I'm gonna put a W. I'm not gonna sit for longer, guys. I don't want to trade this. I don't want to trade this chop. Okay. Also, guys, whenever you catch these setups, because maybe for market open, guys, German 30 is going to move. GGFX, I know you love to trade German. There are some people over here who love to trade German for London. Keep a check on German 30. I'm sure it's going to move. And also keep a check on GBP USD as well. You all have my levels. Please make sure you mark them correctly on your MetaTrader or wherever you're marking them. And after that, I'm just going to finish the session, guys. I made some on gold. I'm not risking anymore. Neither am I waiting and sitting for these markets to move for me because this is boring. But that's it, guys. These are my levels. I hope you all have marked it. If you guys don't have any questions, I'm going to finish this session, guys. Also, please, guys, YouTube, there are like 0 views. Just go over there, like the stream right now. Please go ahead, do that. And also, guys, success stories. Okay, I think Kram has already mentioned success stories. Thank you so much, Zero. We need success stories, guys, on Twitter and on our server, guys. Please do that. We're doing so much for you guys. I knew that there were not going to be a lot of people today for red folders, knowing that there won't be too much volume. Still, we're coming every day. Kram is coming every day. So you all can do this much for us. Just go ahead, put some success stories on your Twitter and tag us. And on our server, please go ahead and put success stories, guys. Okay? We need your help at this point. And I'm going to be really pissed. I anyway do London 3 to 4 times a week. If you guys don't do it, there is no point me coming for London, right? It's stupid that I come here and sit with you all and do this analysis for 1.5 hour, 2 hours before that. It's just not worth it. So just go ahead, do the sweet thing for me, for Cram, and that's it, guys. Go ahead and do it, okay? We're not asking for much. That's it, guys. These are my levels. Be extremely, extremely careful when you're trading these markets. For people who love to trade German 30, last look at German 30. Thank you so much, guys, for this amazing session. I will catch you all for New York. And also for one-on-ones, if anyone is new here, please DM me. Otherwise, also, if you guys have any questions that you want to ask or something that's really urgent, you can DM me always. Okay? Bye, guys. Bye, Neha. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you so much for this session. I'll see you all for New York. Bye, guys.